Cicadas swarmed a press charter plane at Andrews Air Force Base on Tuesday night. The insects got into the plane's engine, delaying it for a few hours. It happened as President Joe Biden was preparing to board a flight to Europe the next day. He was forced to swat one off of his neck on Wednesday, causing him to issue a warning to reporters.
Watch out for the cicadas. I just got one from the guttery.
Fortunately, cicadas don't bite or sting, but they are plentiful. Nearly 1 trillion cicadas have emerged across the eastern U.S. in what's believed to be the biggest emergence event since 2004.